All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Math's easy, step by step. In this part 3 video, I'm continuing to substitute the values for x and y in each ordered pair option. I'm picking up with option C. I left off and I completed D in the prior part 2 video. And so let's just jump right into it. Here is the equation, the linear equation given in the problem. Once again, y equals 2/5 times x plus 7. If I have an x value of -5, I can substitute -5 for x. If I have a y value for 7, I can substitute 7 for y. And you can see I've done that here. Now, we follow the order of operations. There's nothing inside any parentheses that I can do. There's no exponents, but I can multiply or divide. So here, I'm going to multiply 2/5 times a -5. And I'm showing you there's an invisible 1 underneath that -5. Of course, you can just write in a solid 1. It's going to help clarify what you need to do. And when you multiply fractions, you multiply top to top, bottom to bottom, which I was going to do in just a moment. All right, I rewrite my plus, I rewrite my 7. So let me show you what that looks like when you multiply that particular fraction. Okay, so again, you multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. 2 times a -5. Well, I know 2 times 5 is 10. 1 negative, it stays a negative. So -10. 5 times 1 is 5. And I'm just rewriting my 7, my equal sign, taking it step by step. Rewriting the plus sign, rewriting the 7. Well, here I'm kind of lucky because I know 10 can easily be divisible by 5. 1 negative, 1 positive is going to give me a negative value. So what's 10 divided by 5? It's 2. Since it's going to be negative, it's going to be a negative. If you said -2, you're absolutely correct. Rewrote 7, rewrote the equal sign, rewrote the plus, and I just rewrote the 7. So now I'm going to continue on the right side of the equal sign, simplifying. Hey, you borrowed $2. That's -2. And then you gave me $7 back. How much do I owe you? I owe you $5. So -2 plus a positive 7 is 5. All right, I bring down the 7, bring down the equal sign. Does 7 equal 5? Is that a true statement? No, not a true statement. Cannot be option C. So far, it's not option D. It's not option C. Stick with me. Let's see if it's option B. Okay, as you can see here, here's option B, ordered pair, where x will be 5, y will be 0. So in the linear equation, that just means straight line, given in the problem, I'm going to substitute a 5 for x, and you see that right here. I'll substitute a 0 for y, which you see right here. And so again, 5 has an invisible 1 underneath it. And when we multiply fractions, we multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. All right. Order of operations says parentheses first. Nothing here. Okay, any exponents? No exponents. Can I multiply or divide? Yes, I can. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. Bring down the plus and the 7. I'll bring down the 0. Now in this next step, order of operations say parentheses first. No parentheses. Exponents? Nope, I don't have any exponents here. Can I multiply or divide? Yes. Every fraction is a division problem. So 10 divided by 5. That's my next step in simplifying this particular problem. What is 10 divided by 5? Okay, if you said 2, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Positive 2. Plus 7. What's 2 plus 7? Is 9. Does 0 equal 9? Is that a true statement? No, it's not a true statement. The answer cannot be option B. Cannot be option B. All right, so let's take a look at our last option, option A. And here is our ordered pair. And again, first term is our x value, second term is the y value. I'm going to substitute 5 for x in the linear equation given in the problem. And then I'll substitute my value for y in that same linear equation. You can see that here below. Y equals 9, so I have a 9 here substituted. X equals 5, so I substituted a 5. Now, I'm going to simplify following the order of operations, right? There's nothing inside the parentheses I can do. So then I look, are there any exponents? Nope, no exponents here. Can I multiply or divide? Yes. I can multiply 2/5 fraction times 5. And I'm showing you an invisible one in the denominator's place. Why? Because when we multiply fractions, we multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. All right? So 2 times 5 is 10. Showing you that here. 5 times 1 is 5. And I just rewrite the equal sign, I rewrite the 9, I rewrite plus, and I rewrite the 7. Now, following the order of operations, are there any parentheses? No. Any exponents? No. Can I multiply or divide? Yes. Every fraction's a division problem. What is 10 divided by 5? All right, 10 divided by 5 is 2. All right, and I bring down the plus, the 7, the 9, and the equal sign. And the last order of operations is to add. So what's 2 plus 7? It's 9. Bring down the equal sign, bring down the 9. Does 9 equal 9? Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. Absolutely 9 equals 9. That checks. It is a true statement. Your answer has got to be A. So we found the answer using substitution property. Now stick around for part 4 video and 5, maybe 6. I would like to show you how to use the graphing method in order to find the correct answer. Math's easy. Take step by step. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, share, subscribe. Help me to help others. Thank you for your time.